Hello, I am Janet Patricia Arroyo Rincon, and this is my tribute to my best friend. In life, we know many people, but some remain forever. Today, I will talk about my best friend. Her name's Valentina, which means brave. The first time I saw her was in the hospital when she was born, almost 15 years ago, since she has been become in my partner, my accomplice, and that changed my 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 way seeing living a seeing life. She has been with me in all in most important moments of my life. When my husband heard that proposed that we get married in our wedding, when I was pregnant, and when her sister born. I guess the most important thing is that she isn't only my daughter. Valentina's also an exceptional, sincere, fun, and lovely friend. And on the people for who we fight by day for to be a better person in this world. Thank you.